Father's Day's coming up. Are you ready? I want to offer you a few suggestions that are going on at Home Depot right now, and you can really save some money. Depending on what your budget is, I got a few items for you. First off, we got the Husky. This is a full set of 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch drive sockets, and it's also got bits for screwdrivers, and you name it. There's what's in it. 65 sockets, deep sockets 24, bit sockets 30, adapters and extensions 4. Also has wrenches, and it has driving tools. Super deal. Super nice set. It's in its own case. $99. That's hard to beat. If you got a budget that big, great. If you don't, that's fine. But your dad will like it, or your spouse. Next, we have a very super handy inflator. And this is good for everybody, but I'm telling you, I've got one for all of our cars. You plug your 18-volt battery into it. Hopefully your father or whoever you're buying this for has a 18-volt Ryobi architecture. You may want to check that out first. But anyway, you just set this thing at whatever pressure you want, turn it on, walk away, it turns itself off. Super handy. Don't get caught in a pinch. It's a great gift for Father's Day. And I was trying to get it to show the price here. It is $29.97. $29.97. That is a deal. Next, we have that cordless screwdriver. This is rechargeable. I actually own one of these. It's a great deal. It's a great gift for $24.97. It's not a drill. It's not going to do things a drill will. It's not going to do things a super driver will, but it is a screwdriver, and it saves a lot of work on your wrist. I do highly recommend that. If your budget is $25 or less, this is perfect for you. And another thing that you may have already seen if you've been shopping around is these battery deals they got going on. I don't know what I hit there. That was interesting. They have two versions. One is the 3 battery and then tools. And the other is a 2 battery and tools. This particular set is 3 batteries, and then you get to choose a tool on top of that. And here's a list of the tools. It's got the vacuum, the blower, the brush, an impact wrench, saw. It's got the airstrike nailer, and there's a few more. But you pay the $199 for the battery starter set, and then you pick one of these tools, and this tool alone is $200, this vacuum. So you're getting these things free. It's a super deal if you're going in with some of your siblings, or as I said, you're buying this for your husband. If he's not a person that doesn't have Ryobi, if somebody's into another architecture, they may not want this, but for most dads, they appreciate the gift, and if they have Ryobi, you can see the green in their garage. $199.99, super deal, great Father's Day gift. Next, we have this high volume inflator. This is a tool only, so once again, it's assuming that your father has the batteries and or you bought him one of those battery kits. $39.97. I have this thing. I don't use it necessarily for inflating. I have inflated, the little blow-up beds with it and air rafts and things. But this thing makes a great bench blower. It's got really good volume for it. It'll blow the sawdust around. It'll blow things out of your engine block when you're changing spark plugs and whatever. It's a really nice portable tool, and your father would love it. $39.97. Here's the 2 battery deal that I mentioned. It's $99.99, and then you get to pick a tool, and here's a list of the tools. You got inflators, you've got reciprocating saws, you've got sanders, you got a 2-pack of light or fans. Those are super nice. They blow really well, and with a 2 amp hour battery, it's probably 4 or 5 hours. With a 4 amp hour battery, they run up to 8 to 10 hours. Great for camping. Those are clamp on. This other fan down here that they had was a larger version. It's a much higher CFM fan. I also have it. It works great. 1 battery will run that thing all night as well. It's got 3 speeds. It runs off a 110 if you want to. So you can use battery or 110. Or a nice light jigsaw. This jigsaw alone's like $80. Recip, a hedge trimmer if they need one, a grinder. Super deal, 99 bucks. Pick you a free tool. It's a great gift for your father. And then this is a sleeper deal. I've mentioned it in some of my other videos, but if some of you just shopping now for your father, look at what you get here for $199. You get a saw, a reciprocating tool, an oscillating tool, a flashlight, a drill, and a drill driver. You get 2 batteries and a charger. All of this is coming in for $199. I hope this will give you a few ideas to look at for your father. If he's a Home Depot fan, if he's a Harbor Freight fan, you may want to look elsewhere. I do have videos on those as well. But these are some great Home Depot buys, and I do have many of the Ryobi tools, so I stand behind them. They're very well made. They're perfect for a do-it-yourselfer. A lot of contractors even use them, even though, many of them would step up to a Milwaukee or a DeWalt. But these are great tools, and I highly recommend anybody that needs tools. Anyway, my name's Daryl, 63 and counting. Jump over to my channel if you want to see some other tool videos or do-it-yourselves. And I hope you'll like and subscribe. And until the next video, y'all take care.